Alright, video starting. Welcome. This is gonna be my first PC boot up. I got all the parts with me already, and this is gonna be my case, which is a 4000D airflow. Go around. The beauty of it, no glass on the side, but there is a tempered glass on this side. Look at this. Voila! It's awesome. ROG Strix 550F gaming Wi-Fi D2. This is gonna be my first motherboard. It's gonna be right in that platform. Of course, the tools are gonna be used. Screwdrivers for the case over there. Oh, first thing first, I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Alright, opening the motherboard. Got this pocket knife. Gotta stripe all these stickers down here. Hopefully I can open it. Easy open. Now I can just open it. Oh, there's a lot of stuff inside. Let's see what we have here. Of course, I can see the motherboard. That's the first thing I can see. The manual. The manual's gonna be your best friend doing this up. Getting rid. Put that. Even got stickers, my dude. A lot of merch. This is why I love Asus. Hopefully the gamer. Got some cables, put that outside. Try not to throw them. Got some screws, of course. See how this works. Some straps. Put these aside. We gotta use this box, of course, so you can build on top of it the new motherboard. Shit will be nice. Get in it. Place some top. Alright, now we're gonna open this package from the motherboard to get out of this package. Place it on top of here. Place it gently. Alright, I'm gonna pick up this camera. As you can see, this is the motherboard. So many compartments. It's awesome. Alright, beside the motherboard, on the right side, it's gonna be my CPU Ryzen 5000 series 7. This is awesome. Use the sticker. Don't want to pull it, of course. Do this slowly. CPU. It's all close together, so it's gonna be like a flap to open it up. So put this aside gently, because you don't want to hurt the threads. We'll open this package slowly and add it to the motherboard. Put it down on the ground, don't want to drop it. So here's the CPU, I'll open it, grab it from the side, attach it to here, which I should see which arrows should be put in. Alright, I did open the metal sticks up here. I opened it gently, go ups, and you can see there's an arrows on these CPU sockets. That's the arrow that we want to place aligned with the arrows somewhere. Yep, I found the arrow. It's right down on the triangle. Found it from here. That's where this triangle should align with these. Oh, where's my finger? These right triangle here. Side. And yeah, I'll show the video how to put it in. Alright, place it in along with the lines. Okay, it's in. That's a struggle. Yeah, put this pin down. You don't want to touch the surface down pressing hard because these pins underneath these CPUs are quite thin. You don't want to break them apart. I did have trouble putting them back in, but let the gravity works coming down. Use, 2 of your fingers, hit both sides of the CPU. Shall do the work. Yeah, that should be it. Okay, now that the CPU is right into this place, now on the right side, I'm gonna add these RAMs onto the sockets. Yeah, turns out I didn't read the instructions, but there's more specific name for it. The storage should be the place where I should put it in. So it should be this one, the second slots, and this one, the 4 slots. A little specific alignment, but let's see how it works. All right, time to open the RAMs up. This is the RAMs I have. I think I showed it already. It's awesome. This knife again. cut it in. Wow. Put this down. Wow. This is the RAM. I believe these sides knob or side panel should be the lights to shine up. But vengeance, this is really beautiful. And here's a specific gap that I should align the slots. I should on the ground, don't want to drop them. See, I just dropped it. Wow, nice. Alright, so I'm adding the RAMs on the motherboard. I believe I watched the video, you should open this one up. Yep. That knob should be open. Second one should be placed upon it. There should be a click, I believe, but let's see how it works. I did some off camera. Turns out I have to press harder, not gently, so it hits that click on part of it. And you see this knob right here. So I gotta like click it in, hopefully. Yes, sir! So we have this other RAM. Should be in the fourth slot. Once again, open this beforehand, before putting it in. Those are the clicker assurance. It plays upon it. I got all the steps in correctly. It's just I need to push it harder, which I thought you should push it softly, but nah, they want it hard. That's what she said. Oh, and you press them harder, hopefully. Oh, that clicked, and it clicks automatically. Wow, I got it. Nice. Alright, I just did the RAM CPU. Now, see this product I have? This is the SSD. That guy should be placed upon here, which I have a screwdriver. Oh, I got my Phillips screwdriver. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. It's 2 screwdriver balloons. Hopefully this screwdriver works. Okay. Then it should be open up. And there's another screwdriver over here. This should be counterclockwise to open. This aside. Open this up. Don't want to lose the screwdriver, so put it right here. Put it over here. Sweet. So we're gonna open this. Of course, open it from the table. You don't want to drop them. Oh, I dropped them! Don't worry, it's not the fragile ones. So this is the SSD. There's another one extra right here. It says import to too, but they prefer the top one if you only have one SSD. Here's close up to adding the SSD. It also has this alignment specifically attached to this guy right here. Guys, put it right there, slots in. Hold these in place so they don't get hit. I realized something. I should have another screwdriver to put this in. I'll be right back. Get from screwdriver. Yeah, my off camera. I opened the side panel for these. Lovely case, and down here is the storage for the hard drive for any specific parts, and it also provides this to straps the wires. So yeah, the screwdriver doesn't work for the motherboard, so I went to the motherboard where it has these small screws, and they're easily attached to these SSD. Oh, I guess I just add that instead. SSD. Click. Put this down. And get these little screws here. It's on top of these screws right here. Tighten these guys up. And I remember watching this video, they said that make sure to tighten 95%. You don't want it too tight. Now we got these platforms, as you can see, but we need to take out the plastic out. So this is the plastic I took out. Put this side. Now we have these right forms to add in. open another side of here. Nice. That's good. Voila! Got the SSD in. Now that the CPU, RAM, and SSD, now we're gonna move up to the CPU cooler. Got more instruction in there. That's good. Put this aside first. I believe this is the fan right here. Quiet. Gorgeous look. Put it right here. This for the structure of it. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. It's pretty big size. The clippers. Got some thermal paste. That's awesome. Well, the CPU cooler can be worked with Intel, as you can see down in the bottom, and for AMD only. So I'm only looking in this section for AMD. There is two different parts. This is for Intel, which I can put that aside, I don't need, but I only need AMD. And I got two more screws, thermal paste, which I'm gonna add to CPU, and a handle, along with the fan, so I need to be attached. I read more instructions in the videos, and I took out the factory, these factory motherboard out by having these full screwdriver from each corner, taking them out. Also these platforms out. So originally it's a format like this. Well, of course, I take out the screwdriver in each corner, take these guys out, place it on the side, these plastics, and put it each of these knobs. On top of it, we want to add the stabilizer and place it on above. So that, as you can see on my side, place it upon like this, I believe. Which fits. And once I put these guys on top, I will add the screwdriver in each four corners, so we can hold in a tight, secure space of it. And after, of course, screwing them in, then I can add the thermal paste upon the CPU coolers. Like that. Just places in. It's a lot of research, which I like to do. It's fun that way. This fan is gonna be huge, so I won't see my CPU though. That's good. What's this guy in here? Use them up. This is exciting, actually. Wait a little tight so I can do the other side. Perfect. These knobs should be more tight, so it's not loose. Okay. Now these platforms are now in a secure place. I can add the thermal paste after that. And these guys can be attached to it along with the fan. Alright, thermal paste. I saw the video from Be Quiet, and they just sprayed the paste on three rows of 3, so that's equals to 9 onto the CPU, and we stick them in. Is on. These guys will be next. So you take out the sticker. Now we're gonna add these fans on top of it. It has to be this direction on top of it. And we can have a platform. It should be underneath like this. And add the screws on both sides. I'll show you it. Of course, we had to take out the sticker. I forgot for a moment. Go ahead and take it off, please. Right here. Look at that. Oh, metal. I like it. the same side, screw it in. Voila, I attached it. Well, the screwdriver was stuck in between these RAM and that given. So I had to take this fan out and take these little guy screws from this guy to click on here, which successfully I did. It looks good. I just need to add the fan part to it. Alright, these fans should be down here. Should be attached to this side near the RAM. They also give us 2 rackets in case, well, for more securance. Hopefully I can put this in. Oh boy, yeah, I did it. So basically, you just have these little guys connected to the hose of these fan. Once you attach it to both top and bottom, you want these ends to slide through, pushing to the left, where you can hear a click that hits each of the level. It works both alike on the same side. Oh boy, you gotta use 2 hands for that. Now we got the CPU underneath the CPU cooler. We got the fan, RAM, and SSD. Now just attach it to the case. I place these case on the flat surface, so I can add the motherboard on top of it. It's better to be this. Alright, I put this in the platform. I took two of the fans off from that side, this side. Now I can add the motherboard in the right shape. It already has a stand up for none of the holes, so I guess we can just put that in. I place upon it carefully. So these little holes, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, some 9. It fits perfectly into this hole. Now I just need a screwdriver to attach each of them. So hopefully I can find one. Alright, I found them. These are the screws to the motherboard. Actually 9 of them, but it comes up with 18 attached over there. Alright. I got one of them in. Alright, second one. Two in. Another one, third one. I'm so blessed that the screwdriver is electromagnetic. Yes sir, third one's in. Too tight. Should be upside middle. Sweet, 4th one's in, 5th one's coming. It's on the right side. So. The 9th is, there's already 6 one in already, so just 3 more. The 8th should be 3 on top. Tight. It's good, it's tight. 8. Should be in. It's in, yes. 9th. Last one. It's gonna be really tight again. Awesome, it's tight. So yeah, I attached 3 in the bottom, 1 in that corner, another one here is and 3rd one. This is already in already somehow. So we just need to attach that, and the top 3, which is gonna be in that corner. And these 2 are here. We got the van straps in here, which should be attached somewhere over here. And I can now bring it up to the stand. Wow. The most impressive part I like is the side part. Now it has all of this to be there. I did admire the motherboard for I feel, let's just say 10 minutes, because I just like the look of it, to be honest. I just admire and be proud of what I just did, but there's more to it. Life's easy when it's cleaned up. Now we're gonna move on to the power supplies, which I will hitting right down here. This power supply is a Seasonic, so it's a golden standard, I believe, that can hold 750 watts, which I'm excited for. Here's a plus 80, that's a gold standard. It's all covered in plastic, so I gotta get this knife cut it carefully from apart. These are meant to be open. Close. Put these down on the ground. I think I could open from this direction. I got help from opening from my cousin, but this is a lot of instruction. And it's pretty heavy. This is the only product that's heavy, of course, compared to the case it's heavier. But has to be a lot of goodies inside. I believe this is, oh, more straps to help attach in, okay, to hold in place. That's the power supplies for you. But more cables. Let's put this aside. What was this? Oh, this thing to attach. Okay, we need that. It's a lot of stuff. We're not gonna open that yet. All right. This is the power supplies. With this full casing. I really like how to put this part again. It's nice. I think you have to untie these so you can open it. Okay, I untied the knots. Now I can open fully and take out the cover. What? Looks like a GameCube. That's not a GameCube. Just gotta admire this power supplies. Here's the fan. I guess that generates powers. Here's the side. All the options that we're gonna put in for all these equipment, of course. Nutrients, facts. Wow. These sides are perfect. Oops, don't want to scratch. And more. You can turn on the button. Well, I'm gonna put a circle because I don't want to turn on. And wow, there's more hyper modes, and I assume that's the power circuits that powered up these power supplies. And now we just need to attach to the bottom of this case. But in the meantime, I do want to take out this box right here, which I had to take these two knobs out and take all these boxes out so I can fit all these PSU in a good spots. So I'm off camera. I got some cables attaching to the power supplies. I was thinking putting that at last, but instead I'm gonna put the fan first. So as you can see, these beautiful fans. SP120 RGB lights from Corsair. 3 fans only, 2 of the fans gonna come by soon, but I'm gonna attach these 3 fans up to these sides right here. So yeah, wish me luck. Power knobs. Got these additional screws so we can attach these fans up to these guys up here. So I can't wait. Alright, I add the hard drive and the tray. It's gonna be attached to the bottom right here, which I did in my free time. I removed these guys box. It used to be in this on the right side, but I moved it more to the left, so it's easy for cable management in the future, hopefully. Which that tray will be on these tray here. All the cable coming in and out, which one is the correct way. Now I just need to add it in. First power box in the morning. That should be easy. In. Now we just need to add the screwdrivers. Attaching the fan. 4 screws in each corners shall do work. Okay, this is So far, this is my progress for the van. It's looking nice. So each of these holes, I'm gonna plug in with the screw. I have to figure out which screws comes with which. This is good. The fan, 3 fans, face suck in. So these guys will suck in the air. These cover up. Cover this up. That's like this. Clip, clip, clip. Beautiful. Alright, it's a brand new day. And I got these 2 fans just came in today. These fans, I'm planning to put it on the back and one on the top so I can have correct air circulation coming in and out of these case, of course. And today goes, I just wanted to put all the wires into the motherboard so far, and of course put the power supplies in, make them tight, but so far I managed it perfectly, how to plug it in, the right spots, so I can do it correctly and fine, of course. So yeah, let's go add some fans right now. Of course, the fans I'm going to use for the back and the front, it's the same models for the fans I have for the side panel. So I'm just adding these 2 guys. One, of course, one on the back and one on the top. So I got these screws again. Once I just, of course, reuse it from the stock fans. So I'm gonna plug this for the 4 corners fans once again. Alright, I opened all the package, untangled everything. Now I just need to put it in the back. Of course, you want the fan to face suck, so it's sucking in the air. So I believe, yep. So the fan's gonna be, this face has to be right here on the side. So put it up like here right now. In the meantime, let's put this wires behind as well. Not the other way. Okay, right. Now I just need to add the screwdriver behind there so it's going to secure tight, which I am using the same screws. That's the default. Alright, one I'm secure. That's good, that's good. Let's add the other one. Should be nice. Yep. Hold them tight. I'm surprised it fits. This is good. This is what I want. That's secured. 2 more on the bottom. Shall do 1 more. And once after this fan, the back fan's secured, then I can put 1 on the top. That's what I want. Nice. So add 1 the fan in the back. So it has a face, so the air will come from that direction, coming in to the left, hitting this fan, sucking it, so it can exhale it back. But that's what I want. Now the heat's gonna be heating down here. They want to go up, so I'm gonna add 1 more fan. Power will be above the this fan, the CPU cooler, so it can cool up much efficient than putting the left or right. Yeah, so I add the back and the top. The top is really cool. I like the look of it. It does has the direction that I want the air to come from the bottom to the ryzen top so I can let out all the excess heats out of the case. After, you know, adding those fans, now I just turn over the power supply is in the bottom of the cage, which the fan has to be hitting at the bottom so it can have better air, you know, air circulations. See that little triangle gap so it can, of course, let out the excess of the heat. And now I'm doing all the cables, so I have to plug in all to the motherboards and power supplies, of course. And yeah, I'll probably do that off camera and do the best of my ability to organize this, guys, and so on. Hopefully the next slide I can show you how it looks. In the meantime, I do like to open this graphic card early so I know how many plug I need to add into the source of it. So as of right now, I'm just open it, see how it looks like, because this is the favorite part of mine. Seeing the graphic cards and of course applying it to the motherboard. I took up the sticker and now I can fully open it. This is not what I really want to do, is to drop them, because dropping them would be probably satisfying. The slides. This is the cover, back, of course, down. Oh, it's about to go down. Wow, it's like a shoe ring. Shoe. I just got home, so now I can see the rear. Whoa, that's so nice. Of course, I put it in a static, non-static cover, so no electricity can find it. I believe there's also instruction bottom or speeds, of course. Just check that out. Put this box aside. I read that in my own time. But here you go, the graphic card. I thought it has 3 fans, but oh, it's 2 fans instead. Looks pretty nice. Hopefully it can fit inside the case of it. But in the meantime, I should open it, plug it in, because I did plug in the power supplies before the graphic cards. And I just want to put this on, so I know which guys I should plug in. Take it right here. I'm a bit sick at the moment. Take it out carefully. Press it down. Wow. Here's more look to it without the protector. This is really nice. Let's put it up close. Really nice. I think there's some plastic. Oh yeah, I should take out some plastic, of course. Know where to put it in. It's gorgeous. It's a side of it. It's awesome. GeForce GTX. I should take out the plastic at the moment. It's all wrapped up together nicely, like a Christmas gift. But it's still in a safe place. Get this camera. Oh, put it back. Yeah, there's a lot of wires in the back. I will fix it in the meantime. So you can see my illustrations. I want to hit the graphic cards right down here, but I have to take these 2 knobs out so it can create some space. So I'll be off camera, open it up. Okay, so in my spare time I forgot to record, but I plug in all the necessary plugs to the motherboard. Also plug in the RGB hub in the back. Cable measurement, of course, I'll do that later. I just want to know if this case is turned on properly. And I add the supplies, I screw them in, I plug in the cable, I switch the power button to on eventually, but I just want to show you the plug-in. And so on, everything's all plugged in except this one USB, which I'm gonna ignore that part because there's so many USB on my side. I don't need this necessary one of them here. Other than that, let's turn on the power supplies. I'm just scared. That's on. Plug in. And now, you just turn this fan on, I believe. What? It works. Wow, you can feel the breeze of the sun. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I need to turn it off. Now I need to add in the monitor so I can add the Windows installer, which hopefully I can turn off like this.